Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the set of nails that I did in this video using this product here. It's a builder gel by Miss You Beauty. I got it on sale on their website. So I'm just applying a base coat to my nails. I've already applied tips and I have already prepped my nails and pushed back my cuticles ready for application. So I am just experimenting with a few gels at the moment just to see which one I like the best. I'm growing my natural nails for a change as well, so I've not been doing as extravagant designs recently, but I thought I'd just have a little go with some of the UV gels and the builder gels just to see which one I like the best, just for a change basically, rather than using acrylic. So just apply this base coat to my nails and then I pop it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So I am absolutely in love with this gel. It is so easy to use. I did actually put a little bit too much on this nail here. As you can probably see, I had to take some of it off, quite a bit actually. But I did apply it with my gel brush from Miss You Beauty as well. Yeah, and I absolutely love the colour. I think it's so cute and it's just so nice because I don't need to put a gel polish over the top or anything like that. So over the course of the next couple of weeks I will be doing infills on this set of nails, so keep tuned, or tune in, don't forget to tune in for those infills to see how I get on with them. So yeah, what I do is I apply the gel to my nail. I tip my nail upside down to ensure that the gel is properly spread over the nail and the apex is properly formed, and then I just cure each nail in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. So just going in with a nail file now. I actually just used my hand nail file because the gel is soft and there is not much filing needed at all, and which is what I love so much about gel at the moment. There is hardly any filing needed. I love it. And the good thing about this gel as well is that it is self-leveling, so it just creates that perfect shape that you require. I love it. And so now I'm just going to apply my UV gel top coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. It's the non-wipe UV gel top coat from Miss You Beauty. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I'm sorry it's just a really quick one, but it's I just really want to try out these gels. I just think that they're working for me at the moment. I'm just having a really lovely break from acrylic for a change. So thank you so much for watching. I will put links to all the products that I used in this video in the description box. The only problem is the gel that I'm using, the builder gel that I'm using here, is actually in the sale at the moment. So you will be able to get it reduced, but you won't be able to use my discount code on it, I'm afraid. It doesn't work on sale items. So, but I will leave the links in the description box for you all to check out. Don't forget about my discount code as well, guys. You do get an extra 10% off if you use it. So, or you do get a 10% off, sorry. So I will pop pictures on at the end of this video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.